Alright, so we're going to replace this fuel filter now. Got a crescent wrench, a line wrench, hammer. Shit. I highly recommend that you don't sit directly under the fuel filter because it is going to leak a little bit. And the only reason why I'm using a line wrench right this second is because the line wrenches put equal force on all the sides at once, but somebody's already stripped this one out a little bit, so maybe not hard to use it. Okay. So I got that one loose, and you see how this is positioned too. It's going to have to go out that way. This lip isn't going to make it through here, so when I take this one off, it's going to leak out some. Let's go ahead and loosen up this other side first. And the line wrench that I'm using is a 5/8 line wrench, okay? GG, what are you doing? Whoever's done these ones before, strip them out just a tad bit, but we're doing with what we can. Okay, I'm loosened up. Perfect. So like I said, don't sit directly under it. Oop.
Here.
Thank you. We got it off. Might not even need the hammer for this one. What the hammer is for is to hammer it out. So if this is stuck in here pretty good, just use that hammer, gets it right out. There's the fuel, let it drain out. If you hold this higher, it shouldn't drain as much, but you're for sure gonna get fuel. I've never done this and not got fuel. Make sure that the direction of your fuel filter is the right direction. Oh, this one says out, so that's how we know the direction on this one. Exciting, eh? Make sure right here on the end that your seal is there and that it's not cracked. This one looks good. You might get a leak right here if it is cracked. On the other side, you're going to check the same thing, make sure that the seal is there and it's not cracked. If everything looks good, put it on. What I usually do is push the hose in as far as I can, hopefully try to get it to seat right, and then I tighten these up. Always start these by finger. Make sure you have more than one thread in. Get like a good 2 or 3 turns on it before you put the line wrench on it, just in case it is cross-threaded, that you won't mess up the threads. Crescent wrench to hold the filter, line wrench to tighten it. You probably could, if you're nice and careful, use a crescent wrench easily in this situation, but you got to be careful not to strip them threads out. I mean, not the threads, but the don't round off the head of your fuel line. Nice and snug, don't over tighten it. Let's go to the outlet side. Crescent wrench to hold the fuel filter. There we go. Line wrench to tighten it again.
Hello.
Hello.
Why does it smell like gas out here?
Changing the fuel filter. Okay. Nice and tight. You could blow on it. This one is actually black as shit. When you first turn this on, prime it a few times and then start. There you go. If you don't prime it, it will start up. Sometimes it'll crank a few times, or might take a time or two to do that to get it to turn on. But that's pretty much it on this. It's super caked. This looks like it was a 6-minute video without any editing yet, so it'll probably be a little bit faster than that. So less than a 15-minute job if you got everything together and the know-how. So remember to like, subscribe, and share. I will for sure be posting more videos on this Silverado, and make sure you check out the other ones that I have filmed. Thanks for watching.